The Supreme Court announced today that it will hear a major gun control case out of New York. It could have huge implications for the number of guns on the street. After the extreme gun violence this past weekend, there's no escaping the irony of the landmark announcement from the U.S. Supreme Court saying it will hear arguments about guns and the right to carry laws. President Biden has been outspoken on calls for stricter regulations after the recent series of mass shootings.
This has to end.
The heart of this case is a challenge to a New York City law that requires people who want to carry a concealed weapon to have a permit. Dr. Jonathan Metzl is a gun violence expert at Vanderbilt University who says this could overturn a law that's been on the books since 1913.
This case is basically, does New York and other similar cities and states have the right to legislate whether and how people carry concealed weapons? Or does someone just saying, I need it for my own self-defense, is that a sacrosanct right?
The case involves two local men who both say they want to carry their licensed target practice guns for protection. The current law says for a concealed carry permit, you have to show proper cause. Experts say another part of this Supreme Court why now equation is that with the addition of Amy Coney Barrett to the bench, the conservative weight may be tipped to ease restrictions. In a statement, the NRA said, we're confident that the court will tell New York and the other states that our Second Amendment right to defend ourselves is fundamental and doesn't vanish when we leave our homes. In his statement, Governor Cuomo said current gun laws haven't stopped anyone with a legal right to buy, possess, or use a gun from doing so, but they have made us the safest big state in the country. Attorney General Letitia James adds, we will vigorously defend any challenge to New York State's gun laws that are intended to protect public safety.
Our Supreme Court is making a statement that the liberties of some people are more important than the lives of others, because what they're doing is they're going to allow these laws that have been shown disastrous in other parts of the country to extend nationwide.
Now, this Second Amendment decision will be the first in more than a decade. The case will be argued early in the fall during the court's